This is actually the Dalgona coffee that everybody's been doing, so I've been doing a lot of that lately. Ryan made some for himself too. So this is pretty much my work setup that I have. My 2 screens. I have my very fancy calendar that my team lead created for us. It's kind of cool. But yeah, that's my setup. The next thing I'm showing you guys here is my setup for when I do the podcast. So I usually just set up my notebook here and I write down notes while we're doing the podcast. Then we do Skype and I end up showing you guys what my setup is or what it looks like. So pretty much what you guys saw in the beginning. And on the side here, I do like timing. So I do like 30 minutes, 45, and 60. So these are some cool headphones that I actually bought. I bought them initially for work, but they ended up being too heavy to wear for 8 hours a day. So now I'm just using it for the podcast, which is kind of cool. It has option to mute, it has option to turn on off the lights. Yeah. Okay, so here I'm showing you guys how I'm gonna work out. So I found this workout online and here's me making a fool on myself. And then I also cut my own hair. So this is me showing you guys how short I cut it and how uneven it is. So the next day I was doing a bunch of masks. So I make them out of fabric that I found at the 99-cent store. So this one I'm just showing you guys how I iron it out and then I jump to the final product, which is this one here. I love it. It's so cute. This was from my nephew. Okay, so it's Saturday and we went to Target already to buy some. I wanted thread because I'm making some masks and that was right, by the way. So I wanted to buy some thread because I'm making some masks and I couldn't find any. We went to Joann and there was a long line of about, would you say it was like 50 people?
Probably.
Yeah. So it's like 50 people. So we're like, do we really want to stand in line? No. So I just ordered it on Amazon. So it's not going to get here till next Monday. I'll just work with what I have. But I was going to show you guys what we got at Target. Hot dogs. Ryan's going to grill because it's actually a pretty nice day outside. Like it's nice and green and sunny and it's been raining for the past few days. So we have some ground beef and some hot dogs that we're gonna cook. We also bought for tomorrow, we're gonna make some chicken wings. They had 2 packs, so we bought 2 popcorn chicken and then we just put like the seasoning on it. So we bought that, some bread, and then the only peanut butter that they had was the Good and Gather, which is the same brand as this, which is a Target brand. But we bought that. Come on. Okay, that. And then we're about to, or I'm about to eat a snack, which is some pita bread. I use this one. It's like a Greek pita flatbread. I'm gonna warm it up and then eat some hummus with it. I just did a pita and then I put it on the pan so that it can get warm, but I kind of burned it. All right, so I went to Target really quick just to get a few things that we needed, and then I ordered a drive up order as well because I wanted a few things. So I'm going to show you guys what I got. It's going to be real quick.
So food-wise, the first thing we got is hamburger buns because we have been grilling quite a bit. And then we bought like a big pack of burgers, so we're just gonna eat that. I also got some tortillas because I like quesadillas, and these are the perfect ones. And then these bigger ones, 6-count for burritos. I don't know, if you wanted to make like some kind of burritos. And tortillas last pretty long, so you don't have to worry about them going bad. You just put them in your fridge and they last for a really long time. The next thing I got were these. I miss these. I hadn't had them in a while. The last one that I opened, I think I left it out and it went bad, so I didn't buy them since then. But now I have more, and since I'm working from home, I'd rather have this than coffee. So excited. The next two things that I got were chips. So I made some salsa yesterday, so I wanted to get some chips. So I got 2. And last but not least, my drive-thru order. This is why I initially went to Target. I grabbed this thing for Ryan, for his grill. It's kind of cool. Ooh, it's really nice. Then I really needed a lemon citrus squeezer. This one, I really like this brand, OXO. A lot of the stuff that we have that we really like is that brand, so I decided to splurge a little bit. In this squeezer. It's really nice. I like it a lot. I also got these because I needed some. It's been a while since I changed my blades, so I have 5 now, or 4. I have 4 now. The last thing that I bought, I'm really excited about because I've been seeing everybody talk about it and rave about it. It is the Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. So everybody and their mother on YouTube has been talking about this. I am very low maintenance, as you guys can probably tell, and my hair takes a long time to dry because I have a lot of hair. So I'm hoping that this will minimize the time that I have to spend on my hair. I'll still use my regular blow dryer because I have to wash my bangs constantly, and I just use my blow dryer to blow dry my bangs. But this will help style my hair very easily, so I am excited to try this out. And yeah, that's pretty much my haul. It was pretty small, but stuff that I needed.